Want to know how to turn off or turn on your notifications in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application and you should be provided with this window right here. We have also created a video on how to download and install Messenger, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you're under this screen right here, you should be seeing settings right below. So we just select it. And now once you have selected settings here, you should be seeing various options. Now, you can just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be seeing something known as preferences, and under preferences you should be seeing notifications and sounds. So you can just simply select it. And now once you select the notifications here, in order to turn off the entire notification, you can just simply toggle it just like this right here. And you can select the timing, select OK, and you're good to go. Now if you want to turn off a certain notification, you can also do it by turning off individually just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.